Alright, YouTube. I'm going to install a set of new lights on the back of the truck. Fairly straightforward, you don't need much. 5/16, ratchet or 8mm ratchet would also work, but let's take a look at what we got here. These are a set of the Recon, we call them the OLED smoked lens scanning turn signals. And we'll see what they do. Alright. So let's see. Federal laws, use of dark smoke lenses on taillights may not be DOT compliant. How about that? What do we got here? These following instructions. Wait, I gotta do work on this? This is not just bolted in? Oh, yeah. Nothing's ever simple. Let's see, what do we got here? Install the function, brake position light, install the function, black wires in the car. Oh, okay, I see. So they didn't bother to key the actual pigtails, and I have to make sure the black goes to black on both sides. So I just make sure I understand this. I spent over $500 on these, and y'all can't give me the right pigtails? Yeah, they're not keyed. And don't give me crap about, oh, you can't buy these keyed. Because you can damn sure 3D print some, guys. That's garbage. Alright, back out here with the truck. Super bright LEDs. I got the 921 WHP 10TL. So these are the same lights, I believe, that I had in my 05 before it got stolen. Poor truck, I still miss that thing. But since these Recons, for the $500 I spent on them, don't come with LED reverse lights, we're going to install these and we'll see how they look. I'm a little worried about this because you can see the Recons have the they've got the reverse light down the bottom instead of up top. So this is the old style, the pre-07, or yeah, 08 and up are the ones that had them up top. So I kind of wish they had that, but it is what it is. Let's pop them out. We'll get these in. We'll get a good idea how these look. I don't know how this is going to look, but I have the LED Recons all installed, and we're going to take a look at what it's got. You can climb on in, hon. All right, go ahead and hit left turn signal. It's the left stalk. Did you hit it? Oh, you know what? Just hit the hazards. They're in the middle of the console. I guess I don't get turns if the... Okay, they're working. Good. All right, go and turn those off. Hit the brakes. All right. Looks like the third brake light is working fine too. Okay. That be it. Thank you. I gotta say, the amount of light from the cargo lights is significantly less than I had stock. Those really kind of suck. Unscrew top bolt, bottom bolt. We'll pull it off. I don't know how this video will come out. We'll see. New LED. Some dielectric grease. Want to keep those contacts clean. Do 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 do. And all that wiring pushed back. Now we'll just reinstall. And I'll wait till tonight after it's dark before we test this all out. Don't over tighten these, by the way. This is all screwing in the plastic. So I'm actually pressing this in from the side just to make sure everything's nice and tight in here. You saw it draw it in. All right. We'll check back in tonight. All right, so let's get a look at how the reverse lights look on these. Should give you a pretty good idea. They're pretty bright. They're not too bad. Got some decent light. So, I think it'd be hard pressed to find better reverse lights than those for right now. All right, let me get some lights back on out here and kill the truck. All right, so long term, how do I feel about the Recon taillights? Don't think they're worth the money, honestly. I think the quality is too low. I don't like the shortcuts that were clearly made. I don't like the fact that I don't get reverse lights with them. But that's okay, because Morimoto has come out with a new set of taillights for the F250s, F350s, the Super Duties. And I think I'm going to go ahead and get my hands on a set of those. And I'll be able to do a comparison. We'll compare them. Aftermarket LED light that doesn't come with the taillights versus full LEDs. So, yeah, I think it'll be kind of nice. We'll see how they do. But that's going to end this video here. Hopefully this was helpful. I'm still trying to get 10,000 subscribers. So if you haven't hit that like button or that subscribe button, please think about doing so. But if nothing else, thanks for watching.